Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Cefiro the A31 and this is by Majorette and this comes under the premium car series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here's a look at the card first. Oops. Okay. Now let's get to the car. Okay. So here it is. So with the first look, it's like it is heavy, and this has a openable part here, and it has some good engine detailing, and the headlights are actually made of some kind of plastic or fiber. Okay, let's close this. Okay, unfortunately we don't have an openable door. I don't know why they did that, but they decided not to give an openable door. Okay, the rims are pretty basic, but it looks really nice for this car. Oh man, I really wish they had an openable door. Okay, let's see if it has any suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.